Boys and girls, please write your first name, last name, and date at the bottom of your Scholastic News. A minion made of food? This minion sculpture is more than just a cool piece of art. It's made of cans of food, and it will help people in need. It's one of the ways we can give to others during the holidays. That's cool. Boys and girls, please write your first name, last name, and date on the bottom of your Scholastic News. We can give. As you read, think about the steps it takes to build a can sculpture. Check out this cool butterfly sculpture. It's more than 6 feet tall. It's brightly colored and made from cans of corn, beans, and tomatoes. Why did people build this canned food creature? Can contests. This sculpture is part of a construction contest. In these contests, teams build sculptures out of canned food. They compete to see who can build the coolest sculpture. When the contest is over, the teams donate the cans of food. That means they give them to people in need. Building a can sculpture. It's a lot of work to build a can sculpture. Teams plan their sculptures for months. First, they came up with the idea of what they want to build. A lot of teams pick characters like Mario or the Minions. Then they plan out how to build it. They make drawings. Will they just stack the cans on top of each other, or will they need to use other things to make the sculpture stay up? Many teams plan to build their sculpture in layers. They will put sheets of cardboard in between the cans. Once they have a plan, they get the cans. They look for cans in the same colors as their drawings. Finally, it's time for the contest. Teams have about 12 hours to set up their sculptures. They follow their plans, stack the cans, and hope their sculptures don't fall. Voting with cans. The teams set up the sculptures in places like malls and stores, and then people come to vote for their favorites. How do they vote? With a can of food. They put their can near the sculpture they like best. The sculpture that gets the most votes wins. All those voting cans get donated too. Construction contests are a fun way to get together and help people. Do you want to build a can sculpture? Start collecting cans and get building. Yes, you can do it. The can sculptures are set up in malls and stores. This boy builds his can sculpture in layers. The force is with this baby Yoda sculpture. Second graders collected food to make a can sculpture. This graph shows how many cans of different foods they collected. So here's our title, Canned Food Graph. Here's our scale, number of cans collected. Notice the scale is only the even numbers. So, like the line between 0 and 2, right here, that is 1. So 0, 1, 2, this one would be 3, etc. Down here we have type of food. We have peaches, tuna, corn, and soup. Okay, now we're going to ask questions about this graph. Question 1. How many cans of tuna did they collect? 7 cans, 9 cans, or 10 cans? How many cans of tuna did they collect? So go up to the graph, find tuna, go to the top, come over to the scale, and how many cans was it? 7, 9, or 10? Question 2. They collected exactly 15 cans of, was it peaches, corn, or soup? So use the graph, go up on the scale to where 15 cans are, and is it peaches, corn, or soup? Question 3. Which one did they collect the fewest cans of? Tuna, corn, or soup? Which one did they collect the fewest of? Tuna, corn, or soup? Question 4. How many cans of tuna and soup did they collect all together? Is it 9, 25, or 31? So go up to the graph, find out how many cans of tuna, then find out how many cans of soup, and how much is that all together? Is it 9, 25, or 31? Bonus question. How many more cans of soup than corn did they collect? Find out how many cans of soup there were, find out how many cans of corn there were, and what's the difference between them? Write the answer on this line. Don't forget to write your first name, last name, and date before you pass it in to the finished work bin.
Giving feels good. It's nice to get a gift, but it feels good to give a gift too. How do you feel when you give a gift to someone you love? You don't need money to buy a gift. The best kinds of gifts are from the heart. You can give something you made. That's a gift from the heart. You can give some help. Or you can give a great big hug. That's a gift from the heart too. Who do you want to give a gift to? You can give to a friend or to someone in your family. You can even give to someone you don't know. These children help give food to people who need it. It feels good to help someone in need. People give birthday gifts on birthdays. And we give gifts on some holidays too. You can make a card that says, Happy Holidays.